Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and on this Hyundai Sonata we're going to go over how you replace the dome light. This is the dome light that is located in the back seat, and we're going to go over how to replace that light bulb. So to start with, you're going to use either a good pick tool or your small little screwdriver. You'll see some small indents that you'll be able to get your screwdriver in, and to be able to pop this cover off and remove it, and then you'll be able to just grab this light bulb and pull it out, and then you would get a new light bulb. And this light bulb here is also a DE3022 for this dome light. So you'll get a new light, and then you'll just line it up and snap it back into place. Double check that it works before you put everything back on. Then you'll see this has larger tabs on the back, so that'd be toward the back of the vehicle, and the smaller tabs on the front. So we're going to line up the larger tabs into their slot, and then just snap that back into place. And so that's how you'd replace the dome light on your 2012 Hyundai Sonata. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.